Madam Deputy Chairman, at the outset, my humble salutation to you since it is the first time I am speaking after you have taken over as Deputy Chairman. Stop. I am happy indeed that today our vulnerable member from Uttar Pradesh, Sri Kamalapati Tripathi, is here because when I first entered the Rajya Sabha, he was the railway minister. And in my maiden speech on the railway budget, I referred to him as the Bhisham Pitama. Stop. So I am very happy that he is here today. Stop. But I am doubly happy that the Ministry of Railways has been entrusted to a very esteemed friend of mine. Stop. Mr. Bansilal, whom I consider as one of the most dynamic ministers since I have had the occasion to work with him in committees and I have seen him in action. Stop. And I am sure that with the help of a young and equally able man like Mr. Madhavrao Sindhya, the railways have got a very bright future in India. Stop para. Madam Deputy Chairman, the railways in India are the lifeline of the nation. Stop. In fact, the railways are the biggest public sector undertakings in this subcontinent next to China and to another country in South America. I think the Indian railways are second or third largest undertaking in India. Stop. And therefore it is absolutely necessary that the funds which are available with them should be properly and efficiently utilized to get the maximum advantage out of it. Stop. But unfortunately, for whatever reason, despite the massive pumping in of funds into the Indian Railways over a period of years, the Indian Railways are not doing as well as they should. Stop. Every time a new railway minister comes, he gives one slogan or the other. Stop. Madam, as you know, more slogans won't work, and it is only when you get something concrete in action. You know what your money is doing. Stop para. One of the most important things in the railways is safety, and every minister and every administration has been stressing it. Stop. It is no doubt unfortunate that as soon as Mr. Bansilal took over, there were a few railway accidents. Stop. But what are the reasons which have raised these accidents? Sign of interrogation. Is it man made or machine made? Sign of interrogation. What exactly is the reason? Sign of interrogation. Herein lies the answer to this very important thing. Stop. External vigilance alone can result in proper, safe and accident free railway running. Stop. I do not think the railways have done well in having a crash program for computerization of signaling. Stop.